Hello, Colin. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and I have nothing to talk about once again because my life is boring. Very boring. I have done nothing worthy of note in the past 2 days. I really have no idea how I'm going to stretch this out to 3 minutes. I have nothing, no ideas, I'm fresh out. I'm fresh out of meat. I'm all out of beef. Nope, I'm not. I have an idea. Colin, this is my Get Colin Strong initiative. You are going to hate it. So remember that push-up challenge that they did on Instagram? It's like, post this on your story and do 10 push-ups and challenge 10 people. You know, that stupid thing. I challenge you to do 10 push-ups. Bada bing, bada boom. Can you do it, I wonder? I don't think you can. I don't. You're gonna fail. Just like you fail at everything else. No, that's way too mean. Why would I say that? I should not put that in. Colin, I want to see good push-ups. None of this weak stuff, alright? I want to see proper form, your elbows tucked in, your arms beneath your shoulders, all of that. This is a new angle for us, isn't it? Do you like it? I do. That's it. So, do it. I want to see your 10 push-ups next week. It's kind of nice down here, I'm not gonna lie. So peaceful. Maybe I'll do the rest of the vlog down here. I really want you to be done with your work so we can play Terraria. That way I can just avoid my work. I don't want to do it. Who wants to do work, honestly? Ooh, that was a good one. That's what I miss most about not being able to see you. It's the burps. I miss your burps. I wonder how much time I can fill up just by doing that. I call this one Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. That had to take up some amount of time on our 3-minute mark, right? Oh jeez, Rick, I left the fan running again. I'm sorry about hearing that wording all over again. That's my bad. That's my bad. I'm a proud student of Juby Hooby. Go hop! Do you like my hat? I don't know where I got it from. I think I look just dandy. Now I look punk. I call myself the Marvelous Miss Maisel. I should watch that. That's what I should be watching. You know what? The camera gets a hat now. Aw, you look great, sweetie. Later. Hello, Rob from the future here. Apparently I forgot to record an outro, so that's all I'm here for. This is Rob, signing off.